In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a stunning image carousel in Google Sites, no code. By the end, you'll have a clean, professional image slider that showcases your photos or project highlights without touching a single line of code. Start by opening your site in Google Sites in edit mode. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account and that you're on the page where you want the carousel to live. Hero sections, galleries, and portfolios are great spots. It helps to click into the exact section on your page so Google Sites knows where to place the carousel once we add it. With your page ready, look to the right side panel and find the Insert tab. Scroll through the components until you see Image Carousel. If you have a lot of items in the panel, you can use the search box at the top of the Insert panel and type Carousel to surface it quickly. Click Image Carousel to open the Carousel Builder. You'll see a simple window prompting you to add images. Click the large plus icon to begin. Before you upload, a quick tip. Aim for images with a consistent aspect ratio, like 16.9 or 4:3. When your images share similar dimensions and orientation, the carousel feels smoother and more polished. Also, compressing large files beforehand keeps your site loading fast. Choose Upload Image to pick files directly from your computer. You can use standard formats like JPG or PNG. If your files are organized in a single folder, this part is quick and easy. Now upload multiple images at once. On most computers, you can select several files by holding Shift to grab a range or Control or Command to pick individual shots. Choose the best visuals that tell your story. Think variety without clutter. As the images load, you'll see thumbnails appear. If the interface offers fields for captions or alt text, take a moment to fill them in. Captions can add helpful context, and alt text improves accessibility for visitors using screen readers. If you notice a very tall or wide image, don't worry. Google Sites will handle basic cropping to fit the carousel area, but consistent sizes always look better. Once your images are in, the carousel is placed on your page with sensible defaults like navigation arrows and slide indicators, so it's ready to go right away. A quick glance in preview mode is a good habit to check pacing and clarity, and you can always fine-tune display options later to match your site's style. And that's it. You've added a beautiful, no-code image carousel to your Google site. Simple, fast, and effective.